up for me, girl, pop.
Nah, the transition. Nah, the transition was mad. No, this is a hit. Bro, we have a hit on our hands. This song has to blow up. This is mad. This is mad. What am I hearing? Asake and Olamide, new Olamide single. Olamide is on the fucking run this year, man. Has been dropping features on top features after UI Scooty. I'm hoping this time around he actually reignites the flame of UI Scooty. This is honestly, now that the tour was done, I was hoping it would reignite that flame, shoot a bit more videos to it, maybe a few remixes, bring UI Scooty back to life, because I think that was a great album. But anyways, we have another feature yet again. He seems very hungry and busy. Okay, let's get right into it. Okay, I'm okay. Whose tag was that? Was that Eskies? Whose tag was that? I better help me who produced this. Whose tag is that? I should know by now. That's the Mobad or the Rexy mix on vocals. I love that. I love that shit, man. I love that shit that some rappers do now. I like it. I like it a lot. But anyway, let's share this hook again. That mix, I like that mix.
I can shout.
Ah! Okay. I like hearing stuff that is different, man. I like unique shit like this, man. I like something. Yeah, so hearing something out of the box. This bounce is not that easy. It's not that conventional. It's not that like, you know what I mean? I just like how it's like steezy. And now the actual artist is not being dynamic on top of this very unconventional like bounce. Like, come on. See, look, this is sounding great so far, man. Like the mixes and the background vocals, nice taste, man. And it came into a killer. I don't know if it's a verse or it's a chorus right now, but there's so much energy and intention behind the delivery, man. This is sounding, hey, look, Olamide knows how to pick them, man. Come on.
I can shout.
Come on. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm obsessed with this bounce, man. Let's go. No, this is a banger. I didn't see this coming, man. I didn't know what to expect, man. Nah, I like the song. I like this. No. Come on. Olamide knows how to pick them, bro. Olamide knows how to pick them. And this guy is feeling like, you know what I mean? Like it's, no. This is a vibe. That chorus. Olamide, I better come and eat this up. Hey. Let's go. No, that's background, man. Nah. Okay, Bado, I beg, finish me.
I love it, darling, never, balling, forever, like a coach.
No. No, man, this guy, I know, no. Bado was gonna come in the maddest flow, I know, I just know. No, let's take that back. That flow was mad. That flow was something. Nah. Come on. Hey. Nah, Bado, the audacity, man.
Never. Forever. Like a coach. Baby, enter. Get money, could you go paper? But you wanna bamba. Oh, she di bamba. Oh, yeah, order. Aquaba. Because it could be Tomagana. Oh, yeah, sick it. Never. I'm about to love a little to bash a sefa. Oh, yeah, give me pim.
Goats.
Okay, oh, yeah, second money go sucker. Back booty up for me, yellow pop.
Nah, the transition was mad. No, this is a hit. Bro, we have a hit on our hands. This song has to blow up. This is mad. This is mad. What am I hearing? Nah.
Oh yeah, order. Aquaba.
Nah, the transition, how the guy came back in.
Never. Oh yeah, give me pim.
Let's go.
Back booty up for me, yellow pop.
Nah. Olamide has another one. Asake is mad though. Nah, this guy is.
Mr. Money in show.
No, not those elements again on top of everything. This is amazing. This is amazing. No. This is a fantastic song. This is fantastic, guys. I want to run it again. Nah, this is a song you can't just walk away from. I'm sorry. Nah. This is hard. A dynamic with a catchy flow. Nah, bro. Nah. The elements that were embedded here from the mixing. This is how you make a song. Super intentional, super vibey too, and just like you're catching the cruise. Olamide was on a cruise ship on that verse. Like, nah, bro. The song is mad. The song, you can't just walk away from this, man. That vibe was something. Come on. Who produced this beat? Who did this?
Oh, she di bamba. Oh, yeah, order. Aquaba. Give it gas, it could be Tomagana.
Nah, I need to say about this, man.
Never.
Nah.
Oh, yeah, give me pim.
Let's go. Hey, let's go.
Back booty up for me, yellow pop.
This has to be a smash hit. I love this so much, man. This one of the hardest. Hey, look. Song of the year so far. I'm sorry. This has to be our song of the year so far, man. I'm noting this down. So far, this is the record. I want to hear to top this feeling. I want to hear a song that would top this feeling, bro. Obsessed with this record, bro. Nah. This is a jam and a half, man. This is a jam. Bado, man. See, look. They better run. They better run with this record. They can't just like put it on a. Nah. Put this in the right channels. This is a banger. Nah, man. This is a banger, bro. But anyway, I want to talk about Bado's verse, but I want to hear what it was saying. But that flow just, like, it just captivated me. I was too hyped. I probably need to go back to it and listen to what he's saying in the verses to catch the actual meat of what he's saying, because I'm sure he had the lamba there, man. But anyway, I like that record too much. I spent so much time on this one, man. I want to hear this Asake guy with Fireboy now, because the way they layer those vocals, I can only see a few artists that can achieve those kind of layering, especially how he did it with the background. I want to see him with Fireboy. I want to hear him and Fireboy in a record, produced by Feels, with massive, like, endearing chords. I want to hear that. That's what I want to hear right now. I'm checking out for this guy, man. I have this guy on my radar. Nah, this is a track. This is a track, man. Anyway, nah. Asake, nah. Wait, I heard the guy before, man. I don't. Yeah, he was on the Rexy album. Yes, that's what I remember. He was on the Rexy album. Yes, I remember that. Anyway, man, that was such a cruise, man. That was such a cruise. I want to get to the Skibby and Davido feature, man. How are we doing with time, bro?